Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code for Six Flag tickets. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm over at sixflags.com. So what I'm going to do is just put in some tickets into my cart. So I'm just going to click on, where are we? I'm going to go ticket and passes. And now I'm gonna get for this demonstration, a daily ticket here. So I've clicked onto that. And now another box will appear like this. So you gotta choose your product. I'm gonna choose a 1-day ticket. You can choose anything, just doing this one for demonstration. Choose your booking. So I'm gonna book for, say, Saturday if I was gonna do this. Click on add to cart. Now I'll give a lot of add-ons here, so I'm just gonna click not now. And now while you're doing this, you might notice on top of here you got promo. So go ahead and click on promo. And it says, would you like to leave this session? So actually continue shopping. And there you go. So put in your promo code, click apply, and then continue with purchasing your tickets. And whatever the value of that promo code will be deducted off your total order.